Hey everyone, welcome to Works for Tools channel. I'm Eric and I'm really excited to show you something new. It's from Boltster Organizer. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I post quite frequently about the Boltster. And this is a really handy product. Yes, you can use a box or cardboard or something, but this works really nice and it doesn't get ruined as you use it. You can clean it and it's flexible. It's a silicone matte rubber. And what we do in my industry and automotive is put the bolts in the organization they go. It might be on a water pump or a front timing cover or even a valve cover. Where it matters where the bolts and the studs go. It matters how long and short the bolts are. So you keep them organized with this. This thing is really cool and I use it quite a bit. And you know, it's good to up to like 500 degrees. And you know, so it's not going to melt if you put something hot on it. Really cool product. I really like this. And they have what they call a Boltster. This is more for like construction guys, like plumbers and carpenters and whatnot, where they could put, here's 4 different sections for this different size of bits and things that they can use this to hang off there. So let me show you a couple pictures of the Boltster in action. And I think I have 1 or 2 pictures of using this. We don't do it as much in automotive, but it comes really good for bits. So let's check those out real quick. All right, so there's a couple pictures on how you can use these. I really like this product, so I'm excited to show their newest one, the Boltster Flexible Organizer Tray. This is so cool. And it's the same kind of thing, only this has 4 places, different size bolts, holes. So now you can get really small bolts and really bigger ones, much bigger ones into place. Chemical resistant like the original Boltster. Silicone matte and up to 500 degrees so that it doesn't melt if you put something hot on it. And then now they're showing they've got a lifetime warranty. This is really cool. So we see what we get in the box. Got this that tells you thanks for purchasing it. I'll put it up there if you want to read that. You can pause it. And then you will follow them and also give them ideas. If you have ideas on their products, how they can do something new. And it came with a couple stickers. So this is going to be really fun to use at work, and I'll definitely be posting this on Instagram on how as I use it, because now it's got the tray also. That's really cool because you wonder, well, it's a Boltster, so you can put bolts in it. Where you put the nuts, where you put extra stuff. Now they've got this tray. I can't wait to put this thing to work. It's really neat, and it's got handles now, so you can carry it around. So this is going to be really cool to use. And I'll be showing more pictures later as I use this. I'm sure I will definitely do another video and show you different ways I used it, like I had pictures of the Boltster. So that's a new product that they have out, the Boltster Organizer Tray. Check them out. They're at boltster.com. You can get these their products on Amazon. And if you use the Works for Tools 20 that I'll put link down below, just use that. You'll get a discount of 20% off. And it helps the channel. Yes, they've sent me these things. They sent this one so that I could use it and show it. And I have bought a couple of the actual Boltsters. And they also have sent me a couple to do a giveaway. And I've got one of these and a Boltster that's in a giveaway coming up. If the channel ever hits 1,000 or whatever, then we'll do a giveaway and that's in there. But yeah, I can't wait to put this to work tomorrow or Monday. I'm gonna have a good time with this. All right, so that's the new things. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, don't just work for tools. Let the tools work for you. Y'all have an awesome weekend and a great day. And be sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next one.